Okay, so I wanted to show you really quick a few of my favorites this week. First of all, I want to show you what I'm wearing today because I love this so much. Okay, so this top, it's actually a bodysuit and it's the softest cotton, and I have been eyeing this for a while because they had some pieces on sale in Shoppo, and then I saw Lisa D1 wearing a dress, I think, by this brand, and she really recommended it, so I was like, okay, I need to just get it. So I got this one. This is the bodysuit in vanilla. I'll put a link down below, and they still have it in sale, and I want to get more of this stuff. And they also have tanks, you know, they have really nice basics, and I'm wearing the size extra small, which is perfect for me, which is also quite rare because I never find things that fit me. I'm gonna try to avoid not to touch my boobies on camera. There's never sizes that fit me properly. You know, everything is too big, especially on the waist. And this just has the greatest feel of stretch without actually having that elastane fabric. So it feels like cotton, but like this really nice, soft, ribbed cotton. So yeah, I really recommend that if you're looking for basics. And the other thing that I wanted to show you is this skirt. I love the idea of a denim skirt, but I prefer them not to be blue, not to be, you know, the basic denim skirt that everybody's wearing. So this one is by Made in Heaven, and I also found it on the sale, so it's not, I don't think it's available anymore. But just to keep your eyes peeled for something like this, I'll try to link to options, because this is an A-line, and I really like it. So I've been wearing it with this and with my clogs, which are amazing also, by Swedish Has-Beens. And now I'm gonna show you the big thing. Disregard my hair. I'm wearing my hair natural because I got it from Vestiaire Collective. I'll put a picture of me wearing it. I still have this tag hanging, but I've already worn it today. And I adore it. It's like the softest, you can't imagine how soft this is. I've been looking for a leather trench that was just really, really good quality, because I've gotten some in eBay before and in, you know, leather shops, which are good enough. But it's just, if I'm gonna be wearing something every day, I just like it, if I can, to get the best that I can get. And the price was incredible, to be honest, for a piece of this kind. And it's a proper trench, full size. It has just so much style. It fits beautifully in a non-fitted way, so it's not a fitted trench. You'll see in the video of me wearing it, which is what I wanted, because I tend to wear fitted stuff a lot underneath. So I think it's really cool to have something, and I'm always looking for leather jackets that are a bit bigger, that can cover my bum or whatever, that just have this, just fall so easily and so unpretentiously. And it still has the pockets, so you can look really cool. But as you can see, the actual waist belt is way under the waist, so it just has style in that way. It's different, it's not your typical, which I like. So this is on the bum, but of course you can put it up and then it blouses up a bit, and then you tie it. If you want, you can tie it or not. I quite like wearing it open, but it's always worth looking at secondhand websites for pieces like this, because you know what, clothes, they don't keep their retail value at all. And I love all the detail, like the collar is really great. It has this thing is, maybe my microphone is being weird now. But you see, you can tie it like that right here. And you can actually just tie it like that and then not tie the waist belt. In which case it also looks really cool, so what can I say? There is no way to make this thing not look cool. I really recommend a leather trench, because for weather like London, for instance, or if you're anywhere cold-ish, not cold-ish even, but somewhere with wind, you know, this kind of thing is really good, because you can be somewhere underneath and then have the trench, leather trench, or even a normal trench would do the job as well, but leather is just a bit more cozy, and if it's a little colder then it's warmer. And just one piece like this is gorgeous to have in your collection. It's one of those wardrobe staples. So maybe I should call this video Wardrobe Staples, the Leather Trench. That's gonna be your title. So yeah, that's been my birthday splurge this year, amongst other things. See you later.